Brainiacs, today's video will be about how to download any image from a web scraping. I will not talk about the Selenium stuff here. It will be coming in the future videos. For today, we will be talking about how to download any images from a website, and it always like I'll tell you straight away, Google and all those things will have a slight change that you cannot put everything there. So that is a other thing that you have to at least play around with your code for them. So, but I will give you a slight example of how to do it with this particular website, that is XKCD. So it is basically a webcomic of romance, sarcasm, math, and language. It is very famous in like from around. I cannot say the word, but it's here actually from last 10 to 20 years. So we will be downloading everything here which is present, and how we will be downloading I will show you in the upcoming part of this video. So stick around and let's talk about how to do it. It's a very simple Python code. So if you see, we will be having a URL and we will be making a directory of xkcd if it exists okay, true, and all those things. And we will check if the URL ends with it's not there. Means if we get not if it doesn't get a href, basically hyperlink, we will be going out. So we will basically go inside the code. We will print that we are downloading this page for this URL, and then we will be doing the get for function from the request, and we will be raising for status, and then we will be using a beautiful soap with the HTML parser here, and this particular text will be going to this bs4 dot beautiful soap that will basically make it again in a mm, HTML format for you. So then we go for a comic element. So let me just quickly go here and not here, I'm sorry, go here and click on it, inspect here. So if I open it up, if you see, this is the div ID comic, and this is inside this div, the image is source. Okay. So what it will do is it will go come here, not here, I'm sorry, it will come here, and it will go to this comic, and after hashtag hash means ID. Okay, if there is no ID, so hash will go, it will say check about the comic ID. So there is an ID with comic, and then inside it there is an image, so it will go for image, right? And then it will, if see if the comic element is not there, so it will say could not find. For our case it should be there, so it will go with https comic element 0 dot get source. So if you see image is there, inside image this is the source, pots versus bubble dot png, right? So it will go inside it, it will say that we are downloading this one, then it will do the same thing. It will open the path for this image file, and we'll get the base name will be this pots versus bubble.png. If you see, this is the image here, right? And it will be opening in the right binary mode because you will be writing in a chunk. If the file is larger, you will be having that thought in your mind. And then we will be closing the file, and then we will going in the previous link. And actually, when I was going through the code, I was little bit skeptical about this when I was learning it for the first time, that what is previous and all. It's nothing. If you see this, I'll just minimize it, and let me try to open this. Yeah, this is previous. So it will click this and it will go on this. Okay, so here it will go, and it will now basically you will get the URL as this one, and then again it will check if the URL ends with a hashtag, means it's a ID. It will again search for the image, it will again do the same operation. So if I run it now for you, it will be printing a hell lot of time, unless until we have to give him a stop function that is okay, stop after this many operation, or else it will just start printing and printing and printing. So if it is now right now downloading the page, it will download the page, and let's wait for a couple of minutes before it starts printing. So actually it was a issue with my VPN. So it will say if it directly starts and it starts printing, it will go to each and everything and get it all done. So this is a beautiful thing to do if you want to just sit and relax, and if you want to just download any image. But yeah, there is a thing called, like, you have to be in that kind of a thing with where you know how to play with all this get source and HTML parcel. There is a LXML parcel if I This one, right? LXML parcel. It is also a good one. So we have to at least be prepared and don't try this with Google. I'll be coming up with a Google one differently. We have to use Selenium because Google is a smart guy. Okay, so it will not directly ask Python. So, okay, you can use anything you want in my system. So we have to use Selenium in such a way that we can go and download images because Google has a wide variety of image. But yeah, let us check about a certain sites where we can apply this logic. I hope this particular piece of code will be useful for you. And I know that it's a very simple code in when you it's like I'm giving you a classwork, and when you go for a homework, and you want your own specifications, your own customization. Okay, I want to click and I want to download it in a bigger format and all those things. I'm working on it. I hope by this weekend I'll give it to you. But before that, it's a simple piece of code. If you're a learner, beginner, whatever are you, if you're an intermediate, if you're an advanced, I think it's a beautiful piece of code. Let me stop it right there. Otherwise, this guy will continuously consume my RAM. So thank you very much. I hope you like this video. I know this the I have actually started this channel after 2 years gap, so I am not expecting much of a views right now, but hopefully at some point of time you will be viewing this video, and that point of time, please give a thumbs up so that I know that okay, if I have done something 6 years back, someone is watching it right now and he is liking this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay safe.